Okay, so now we will discuss data frame as a specialized dictionary. Similarly, we can also think of a data frame as a specialized of a dictionary where a dictionary maps a key to the value. A data frame maps a column name to a series of column data. For example, asking for the area attribute returns the series object containing the areas we saw earlier. States, area, we got this. Notice the potential point of confusion here. So in a two-dimensional NumPy array, data 0 will return the first row. For a data frame, data COLUO column 0 will return the first column. So because of this, it is probably better to think about data frames as generalized dictionaries rather than generalized arrays, though both ways of looking at the situation can be useful. So now constructing data frame objects. Now let's discuss constructing data frame objects. So a pandas data frame can be constructed in a variety of ways. Here we'll give several examples. So starting it off with from a single series object. A data frame is a collection of series objects, and a single column data frame can be constructed from a single series. PD dot population column population, we got this. So from a list of dictionaries, so any list of dictionaries can be made into a data frame. We'll use a simple list comprehension to create some data. Data is equals to, then we'll shift square bracket a I b 2 steric I for I in range 3 PD dot data frame, we got this. So even if some keys in the dictionary are missing, pandas will fill it with NA, and that is not a number values. So now data frame square bracket, then shift square bracket a one b two, let's close the square bracket, shift square bracket, then open it, then b 3, then c 4. Now first bracket square bracket, then sorry shift square bracket, then square bracket, then bracket. We got an error. Let's fix the error. Here we skipped, then we got this. So from a dictionary of series objects, So as we saw before, a data frame can be constructed from a dictionary of series objects as well. PD dot data frame population area. Doesn't necessarily that we put space between area. So we got this output. So now from a two-dimensional NumPy array, given a two-dimensional array of data, we can create a data frame with any specified column and index names. If omitted, an integer index will be used for each. PD dot data frame np dot random dot rand columns is equals to bar index is equals to A B C. Got this. So from a NumPy structured array, we covered structured arrays previously in structured data, NumPy structured arrays in the last section. So a pandas data frame operates much like a structured array and can be created directly from one. Let's np dot zeros 3 d type let's remove the brackets for our ease. A I8 B eight got this. Now PD dot so we got this.